Welcome to Drone 102, Intermediate Flight Operations. This guide focuses on building pilot-in-command responsibility, mastering visual line of sight, practicing precision flight drills, and preparing for emergency protocols. We begin with Section 1, Pre-Flight and Airspace. This section covers your legal responsibilities as a pilot, understanding airspace restrictions, and following proper pre-flight protocols. A vital resource for all pilots is the FAA Remote Pilot Study Guide. It provides comprehensive details on regulations, weather effects, crew management, and emergency procedures. If you encounter complaints or police, remain calm. Always carry your ID and FAA Trust Certificate. Explain you are flying under recreational rules, and consider high-visibility gear to avoid unnecessary disturbances. Remember, you are the pilot in command and are solely responsible. This includes avoiding no-fly zones like the DCFRZ, consulting aviation charts for airport boundaries, and maintaining your safety certifications. Visual line of sight is a legal requirement. Never rely only on your screen. Improve your ability to track your drone by using neon wraps or adding anti-collision strobe lights for better visibility. Follow our 4-phase pre-flight checklist. This ranges from planning at home and inspecting your hardware to final on-location checks and a safe post-flight shutdown routine to protect your media files. Moving to Section 2, Stick Drills and Muscle Memory. The goal is to transition from relying on your screen to intuitive eyes-on-drone control, keeping your aircraft safe. Master these 5 essential flight drills: the cross, the box, figure 8, and altitude steps. Regular practice is key to developing fluid motion and control. Consistency is critical. Spend 25 minutes daily on these drills to build muscle memory. Start with slow, precise movements within a 30-foot footprint to improve your spatial awareness. Services like AirData can help you review your flight performance. This gives you a quick, data-driven look at how your drone performed during your practice sessions. You can also access 3D replays and full telemetry logs. This level of detail is invaluable for identifying areas where your flight control can be further refined. Understand your progression. The first 10 hours involve a higher risk of error. By 15 hours, you will transition to more intuitive control, and beyond 20 hours, your muscle memory becomes automatic. Finally, Section 3 covers camera, systems, and recovery. Here we look at optimizing your exposure, ensuring your media files are preserved, and handling emergency incidents. Compare Auto and Pro modes. While Auto is great for quick scouting, Pro mode allows you to lock shutter speed, ISO, and white balance for consistent, professional-looking video results. When it comes to emergency protocols, remember, plan ahead, not if, but when. Situations like gimbal errors, unplanned drift, or GPS drops require immediate, calm pilot action to regain control. Proactive planning is essential. Always use apps for weather and flight maps, check your satellite status, and stay aware of geomagnetic conditions. Remember, managing your airspace is not like driving a car. Your flight planning should include checking restricted areas like the DCSFRA, reviewing VFR charts, watching for temporary flight restrictions, and monitoring real-time weather reports. Learn from these high-value tips. Always stop recording before powering down to save your files. Use high-speed SD cards and know your target range for both day and night operations. Thank you for reviewing these operations and safety guidelines. Keep your eyes on the drone and your hands on the sticks. Safe flying.